Hello and welcome back to the channel. When most people hear the word blockchain, they think of Bitcoin. But blockchain is so much more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a groundbreaking technology that's transforming finance, healthcare, cybersecurity, and even voting systems. Today, we will explore what blockchain really is, how it works, and why every computer science student should understand its potential. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger technology. Instead of storing data in a central server, blockchain records information in blocks, which are linked together to form a secure and tamper proof chain. This system ensures transparency, security, and immutability, making it almost impossible to hack or alter records. So, how does blockchain actually works? First, a transaction is created. This could be a financial transaction, a contract, or even a medical data. Next, this transaction is verified by a network of nodes instead of a single authority. Once verified, the data is added to a block. This block is then linked to the previous one, forming a secure chain. Since every block is connected, altering past data is nearly impossible, ensuring integrity and security. While blockchain gained popularity through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, its applications go far beyond finance. In healthcare, it secures patient records and enables seamless data sharing. In supply chain management, blockchain ensures transparency and authenticity. Governments are even exploring blockchain based voting systems to prevent fraud. And as a CSE student, understanding these applications can open doors to exciting opportunities. One of the most powerful features of blockchain is smart contracts. These are self executing contracts with predefined conditions. Once the conditions are met, the contract automatically completes, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks or legal firms. Smart contracts are already transforming industries like real estate, finance, and legal tech by making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. Excited to dive into blockchain development? So start by learning blockchain fundamentals such as Ethereum, Hyperledger, and the Bitcoin protocol. If you want to build a smart contract, Solidity is the programming language to master. Try creating a basic blockchain based voting system or a decentralized app. Also join blockchain communities and contribute to open source projects. It's the best way to learn and grow in this field. The future of blockchain is massive. Experts predict that the blockchain industry will grow to over $1.4 trillion by 2030. With industries like finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity rapidly adopting this technology, the demand for blockchain developers is skyrocketing. Learn blockchain today can put you ahead in your tech career and open up incredible opportunities. Blockchain is here to stay and it's shaping the future of technology. It's much more than just cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary system with real world applications in finance, healthcare, cybersecurity, and beyond. If you are a computer science student, diving into blockchain now could be one of the best career moves you make. So now it's your turn to tell me what excites you the most about blockchain technology. Drop your thoughts in the comment below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning!